my dear friends. My name is Eva, and I am 20 years old. And today I would like to share something very close to my heart with you. And that is the story of my family. Because my family is very important and very special to me. And I believe that telling you about them will make you understand why I love them so much. First, I would like to tell you about my wonderful mother, whose name is Anna, and she is a very kind and caring person who always makes sure that everyone in our family is happy and healthy. And one of the things I love most about her is that she makes the best cookies in the whole world. When I was a little child and I came home from school, she would always make fresh cookies for me, and we would sit together at the table, eat the cookies slowly, and talk about everything that happened in my day, and those moments made me feel warm and loved. Next, I would like to tell you about my father, whose name is John. And he is not only strong and brave, but also one of the most inspiring people I know. Because he works as a firefighter, and every single day he helps people who are in trouble, which makes me feel so proud to be his daughter. When I was small, he had a lovely habit of reading me bedtime stories every night before I went to sleep. And I loved listening to those stories while imagining the characters in my mind. And those memories are still very precious to me. Now I will tell you about my younger brother, whose name is Alex, and he is 18 years old. And he is both funny and smart. And we often spend time together playing video games. And sometimes he wins. Sometimes I win. But no matter who wins, we always laugh and enjoy our time together. I also have a younger sister named Lily, who is 16 years old. And she is very passionate about dancing. So every evening she practices her dance moves in our living room. And she is already so talented that one day she dreams of becoming a famous dancer. And I truly believe she can make that dream come true. In addition to my parents and siblings. We also have a lovely pet dog named Max, who is very playful and energetic. And every Sunday we take Max to the park for a walk, and all of us go together because it is our special family time. We play with Max, watch him run happily, and enjoy a picnic while talking and laughing. And it is one of my favorite weekly traditions. There have been many special moments in our family. And I would like to share one with you. One time we went to the beach on a warm and sunny day, and we played in the sand, swam in the sea, and enjoyed the fresh air. My mother built a big sandcastle. My father took many photos. Alex and I walked along the shore collecting beautiful seashells. Lily danced near the water, and Max joyfully chased the waves. And that day was full of laughter and happiness for all of us. Of course, not all days are happy, and sometimes we face sad moments too. Last year, my grandfather, who was a very special person to all of us, passed away, and we felt a deep sadness because we loved him so much. He used to tell us wonderful stories about his own childhood, and when he was gone, we cried together. But we also remembered all the happy times with him, and those memories helped us heal. Another difficult time was when my brother Alex broke his leg while playing soccer. He fell and was badly hurt, and he had to stay in bed for many weeks. During that time, our whole family worked together to take care of him. I read him books to keep him entertained. Lily brought him his favorite snacks, and my parents made sure he was comfortable. And even though it was hard, it brought us closer together. We also have many joyful traditions, like our big celebration every Christmas, when we decorate our house with colorful lights and ornaments. My mother bakes a special cake, and we exchange gifts. One Christmas, Alex surprised me with a beautiful bracelet, and I was so happy that I gave him a new video game, which he loved very much. For birthdays, we also celebrate in fun ways. Last year, for my birthday, we went to an amusement park, rode all the rides, and my favorite was the roller coaster, which was thrilling and exciting. We ate cotton candy and popcorn, and at the end of the day, we watched fireworks, making it the best birthday I ever had. Sometimes we also enjoy quiet and simple evenings together, when we make popcorn, sit under warm blankets, and watch movies. As a family, laughing at the funny parts and feeling a little scared during the scary parts. And these small moments are very special to me. I truly love my family because we are always there for each other, sharing both happy and sad times, supporting each other, and staying united like a strong team. Thank you, my friends, for listening to my story about my family, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I want to remind you that family is one of the most important things in life, because they are with you in both good and bad times. I will share more stories with you next time. So goodbye for now. Take care and always love your family.